Good morning, children. Welcome to Maths class. Today we will learn some examples in ratio applications. First example. A shopkeeper sells 5 tumblers for 30 rupees. A shopkeeper sells 5 tumblers for 30 rupees. What would be the cost of 10 such numbers? Tumblers. What is a tumbler? Here, tumblers means drinking glass without handles. Drinking glass without handles are called tumblers. That means 5 glasses cost 30 rupees. What would be the cost of 10 such numbers? This problem can solve in unitary method. ఈ ప్రాబ్లం మనం యూనిటరీ మెథడ్లో సాల్వ్ చేస్తాం. వాట్ ఈజ్ యూనిటరీ మెథడ్? The method in which we first find the value of 1 unit. We first find the value of 1 unit. ఇచ్చిన వాల్యూ నుంచి 1 యూనిట్ వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. అండ్ దెన్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ది రిక్వైర్డ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ యూనిట్స్. అప్పుడు మనకి ఎన్ని యూనిట్లు కావాలంటే అన్ని యూనిట్ల వాల్యూ కనుగొంటాం. దిస్ మెథడ్ ఈజ్ నోన్ యాజ్ యూనిటరీ మెథడ్. ఇచ్చిన వస్తువుల్లోంచి ఒక వస్తువు విలువ కనుగొంటాం. దాని నుంచి మనకి ఎన్ని వస్తువులు విలువ కావాలో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం. దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ యూనిటరీ మెథడ్. సొల్యూషన్. This problem can solve in unitary method. Here, the cost of 5 tumblers is for 30 rupees. Now we find out the 1 unit. That means 1 tumbler cost. The cost of 5 tumblers. 5 tumblers equal to 30 rupees. The cost of one tumbler equal to 30 by 5. 5 cancel 13 6 times. So the cost of 1 tumbler, the cost of 1 tumbler equal to 6 rupees. What would be the cost of 10 such numbers? So the cost of 10 tumblers equal to 10 into the cost of 1 tumbler 6 rupees. So 10 into 6. 10 6 are 60 rupees. So the cost of 10 tumblers equal to 60 rupees. Again, the cost of 5 tumblers 30 rupees. Now we find out the 1 tumbler cost. So the cost of 1 tumbler equal to 30 by 5. 30 by 5. 5 cancel 13 6 times. So the cost of 1 tumbler 6 rupees. Now we find out the cost of 10 tumblers. So the cost of 10 tumblers equal to 10 into 6. 10 6 are 60 rupees. The cost of 10 tumblers 60 rupees. Next problem. Next example. What is the cost of 9 bananas? What is the cost of 9 bananas? If the cost of dozen bananas is 20 rupees. The cost of dozen bananas is 20. Here, the cost of dozen bananas. What is the dozen? 1 dozen has 12 units. So 12 bananas cost 20 rupees. That means 12 bananas cost 20 rupees. Now we find out the cost of one banana. Solution: 1 dozen. How many units are in 1 dozen? 1 dozen have 12 units. Given the cost of dozen bananas. Dozen bananas equal to 20 rupees cost. The cost of dozen means 12 bananas equal to 20 rupees. By the unitary method, now we find out the cost of one banana. The cost of one banana equal to 20 by 12 rupees. Now we find out the cost of 9 bananas. Therefore, the cost of 9 bananas, 9 into the cost of one banana, 20 by 12. Now we can solve the equation. 4 divides 20 in 5 times, 4 divides 3 times, 3 divides 9 in 3 times. So 3 5s are 15 rupees. The cost of 9 bananas, equal to 15 rupees. First problem: 40 benches are required to seat 160 students. How many benches will be required to seat 240 students at the same rate? 40 benches are required to seat 160 students. 160 మంది విద్యార్థులు కూర్చోవడానికి 40 బెంచెస్ కావాలి. 240 స్టూడెంట్స్ కూర్చోవడానికి ఎన్ని బెంచెస్ కావాలి? దీన్ని మనం యూనిటరీ మెథడ్లో సాధిస్తాం. సొల్యూషన్: నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బెంచెస్ required for 160 students equal to 40 benches. Number of benches required for one student equal to 40 by 160. 0 0 cancel. 4 divides 4 in 1 times, 16 4 times, 1/4. Number of benches required for 240 students equal to 240 into 1 by 4. 4 divides 240 in 60 times. 61 is 60. Therefore, 60 benches are required. 60 benches are required to seat 240 students. Therefore, 60 benches are required to seat 240 students. Second problem: when a robin bird flies, it flaps wings 23 times in 10 seconds. How many times will it flap its wings in 2 minutes? When a robin bird flies, it flaps wings 23 times in 10 seconds. ఒక రాబిన్ బర్డ్ ప్రతి 10 సెకండ్కి 23 సార్లు తన రెక్కల్ని కదుపుతుంది. how many times it will flap its wings in 2 minutes. 2 నిమిషాల్లో తన రెక్కల్ని ఎన్నిసార్లు కదుపుతుంది? ఇది ప్రాబ్లం. సొల్యూషన్. రాబిన్ బర్డ్ it flaps wings 23 times in 10 seconds. In 10 seconds. In 10 seconds. The bird flap its wings. The flaps its wings 23 times in 1 second. In 1 second, the bird flaps its wings 23 by how many seconds? 10 seconds. So 23 by 10 times. Now we find out how many times will it flap its wings in 2 minutes. Here given seconds. Now we find out the minutes into seconds. 1 minute, we know that 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 2 minutes equal to 2 into 60. That means 120 seconds. So the bird flaps its wings in 120 seconds equal to 120 into 23 by 10. 10 divides 120 in 12 times. 12 3s are 36, 3, 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 3, 27. 276 times. Therefore, the bird flap its wings. The bird flaps its wings in 2 minutes. In 2 minutes equal to 276 times. In 10 seconds, the bird flap its wings 23 times. 10 సెకండ్లో 23 సార్లు తన రెక్కలను కదుపుతుంది. 1 సెకండ్లో 23 by 10 times. Here we find out how many times will be it flap its wings in 2 minutes. 2 నిమిషాల్లో ఎన్నిసార్లు కదుపుతుంది? 1 నిమిషానికి సెకండ్స్ ఎన్ని? 60. సో 2 minutesకి 120 seconds. Therefore, the bird flaps its wings in 2 minutes. That means 120 seconds. 120 సెకండ్లో 120 into 1 secondకి 23 by 10. So 10 cancel in 120 in 12 times. 12 into 23. 276 times. The bird flaps its wings in 2 minutes. 2 నిమిషాల్లో 276 సార్లు తన రెక్కల్ని కదుపుతుంది. Next problem. The average human heart beats at 72 times per minute. The average human heart beats at 72 times per minute. How many times does it beat in 15 seconds? How many in an hour? How many in a day? The average human heartbeat at 72 times per minute. నిమిషానికి 72 సార్లు హార్ట్ బీట్ కొట్టుకుంటుంది. How many times does it beat? 15 seconds. 15 సెకండ్లో ఎన్నిసార్లు హార్ట్ బీట్ అవుతుంది? How many times in an hour? అవర్కి ఒక గంటకి ఎన్నిసార్లు? How many in a day? రోజుకి ఎన్నిసార్లు హార్ట్ కొట్టుకుంటుంది? ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి మనం. This problem can solve in the unitary method. First we find out the 1 minute have 60 seconds. Now we find out the 1 second. సెకండ్కి ఎన్నిసార్లు కొను హార్ట్ బీట్ అవుతుందో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. తర్వాత 15 seconds ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం. సొల్యూషన్. the average heartbeat per minute equal to 72 times. The average heartbeat per 1 minute has 60 seconds. 60 seconds equal to 72 times. The average heartbeat per 1 second, 72 by 60. First problem. How many times does it beat in 15 seconds? First, the average heartbeat per 15 seconds equal to 15 into 1 second, 72 by 60. 15 cancel in 15 1 times, 15 cancel 16 4 times, 4 cancel 72 in 18 times, 1 18 jar 18, 18 times. The average heartbeat per 15 seconds equal to 18 times. Second part. How many in an hour? A hour has 60 minutes. 1 hour. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes. So, the average heartbeat per an hour equal to 60 into per minute 72 times 0, 6 2s are 12, 1, 6 7s are 42, 42 plus 1, 43, 4322 times, 4320 times. The average heartbeat per an hour. 1 hour has 60 minutes. 60 into the average heartbeat per minute equal to 72 times. So 60 into 72. 4320 times. How many in a day? రోజుకి ఎన్నిసార్లు హార్ట్ బీట్ అవుతుంది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. We know that a day has 24 hours. 1 day equal to 24 hours. We have already know that the average heartbeat per hour. How many times? 4320 times. So the average heartbeat per a day equal to 24 into per hour 4320 times. 24 zeros 0, 24 2s are 48, 8 4 remaining, 24 3s are 72, 72 plus 4 76, remaining 7, 24 4s are 96, 96 plus 7 103. So the average heartbeat per a day is equal to 1,03,680 times. Again, the average heartbeat per minute given. This is the given part. The average heartbeat per minute equal to 72 times. 1 minute has 60 seconds. So the average heartbeat per 60 seconds equal to 72 times. Now we find out the heartbeat per 1 second. The average heartbeat per 1 second equal to 72 by 60 times. First part. How many times does it beat in 15 seconds? So The average heartbeat per 15 seconds equal to 15 into 1 second means 72 by 60. 15 cancels 16 4 times, 4 cancels 72 in 18 times. So the average heartbeat per 15 seconds equal to 18 times. Second part, how many in an hour? 1 hour లో ఎన్నిసార్లు heartbeat అవుతుంది? 1 hour has 60 minutes. So the average heartbeat per 1 hour equal to 60 into per minute 72 times. 0, 6, 7, 2 is 432. So for 1 hour 4320 times. Third part, how many in a day? ఒక రోజులో ఎన్నిసార్లు heartbeat అవుతుంది? We know that one day has 24 hours. So the average heartbeat per a day 24 into 1 hour 4320. 24 into 4320. That means 1,03,680 times. The average heartbeat per a day equal to 1,03,680. Thank you.